Hi, in this video I'll make sure that you understand everything about LCM and also 2 or 3 ways to find LCM very easily. Let's get started. Now LCM stands for least common multiple. So before we start with LCM we need to understand what is a multiple. Now let's see this. Now if you take 20 and now 20 has got multiple factors. So first we'll understand about factor. Now if you see 4 is a factor of 20. 5 is a factor of 20, 10 is a factor of 20. So a factor is something that divides a given number. Now multiple is something the reverse of it. Now 20 is a multiple of 4 and 20 is a multiple of 5. 20 is a multiple of 10 because if you multiply 10 with 2 you'll get 20. So 20 is a multiple of 10. Now let's take one more easy example to understand what is a multiple. Now if you take 100, so 100 is a multiple of 5. 100 is a multiple of 25. 100 is a multiple of 50. So now always remember a multiple is bigger than the given number or equal to the given number. And now let's take for example 5. So 5 is a multiple of 1 and 5 is a multiple of 5 also. Like a number is also multiple of itself because 5 ones are 5, right? So now we got clear about multiple. Now let's try to understand LCM, least common multiple. Now to do that, what I'm going to do is I'll take two numbers. Let's take two numbers called 15 and 20. Now you need to find the least common multiple of these two numbers. Let's try using prime factorization. Now prime factorization is nothing but, so you take this number and divide with as deep as possible. Now this one you can write it as 2 and here you can write it as 10, 2 tens. Again 2 will not go, 2 is the least prime. Now this 10 you can further divide it as 2 and 5. Now here also we'll try to divide it. Now 5 is a prime, 2 is a prime, so this is the least one, so least the least. Now you can find here 2 will not go 3 and here we have 5. Now we got the values. Now this 2 are the prime factors and these 3 are the prime factors for 20. Now what we have to do is once you get the prime factors, you write them like this, like take any number, start with it. So here the prime factors are, let me write it in white color. So here we have 2 and again 2 and again 5 we have. So I've just written like this, prime factors for 20 and prime factors for 15 is 3 and 5. So here I'm going to write, I'll write 3 here and we don't have 2 for this. So I'll leave it blank, I'll leave it blank here and 5 we have it for here as well. Now all you have to do is to get the factors, you just need to take, if anything is repeated, take only once. Now 3 I have only once, so I'll take it 3 and 2 I have only once. These 2 I have only once between them and 5 repeated, so I'll take only once. Now you just need to multiply these numbers. So now I have got here 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now if you see this, the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. So 60 is the least multiple. 60 is the least multiple that is divided by both the numbers. So 15 4s are 60 and 23s are 60. So anything less than 60 will not be divisible by both the numbers. So that's why it's the least common multiple, LCM. Now I'll tell you one more way to do it, 15 and 20 LCM. Let's see if you understand or not. Now I'm going to do LCM in one more way. Let's see this. Now I'll be writing here 15 and I'll be writing here 20 and let's try to find LCM in another way. Now I have to write like this and I'll write here 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now that's it. Now all I can do is I can simply multiply this and multiply this. So now 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. Now that's how you can find LCM, very simple. Now I'll give one more example for this so that you'll understand very easily and let's see this. Now I'm going to give one more example. Let's take 25 and 15. Now I want to find LCM of 20 and 15. So all I'll do is I'll just write here 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. And here again you just need to multiply. 5 5 is 25, 25 is 75. So 75 is the least number that's divisible by both the numbers. I'll take one last example and let's say this now. So now I'll be taking one more example, 50 and 60. Let's see what is the LCM for this. So now I'll write here, So it is divisible by 2 to 25 is 50 and 2 30s. And let's try with 5 now. 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. Now you just multiply them. 2 5 is 10, 10 5 is 50, and 56 are 300, right? So 300 is the least number that's divisible by both the numbers. 56 are 300, 65 are 300, so 300 is the LCM for these two. I hope you are clear with finding LCM. So do subscribe for my channel if you want to learn more math videos. Thank you.